Today on Mom to Mom, we are making a simple gift for your child's favorite teacher. The end of the school year is quickly approaching, so we wanted to create a really fun end of the school year teacher gift. And these are really fun to create. You can always put their favorite things in or something summer themed, which is what I kind of went with for this one. So what you're going to want to do to create this end of the school year teacher gift is get yourself a large water jug so you can stick all kinds of stuff in there. I chose some sodas that you can put in there, some facial stuff so the teacher can have a little facial, some treats, some, think small, travel size, so you can stuff all this in there. Once you find all the stuff that you think your child's teacher will love, you can stick it in there. Have your child write like a handwritten note, just basically saying thank you. We like to use, you made learning so fun, now it's your turn to relax in the sun. And then just give it to your child's teacher because, they work so hard all year with your kids and your kids grow to love them so much that we want to give back to them. We love our teachers. If you try this out, we love to see those pictures. You could always post them up on our Facebook page and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.